Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in this tutorial, you guys already know by the title what I'm going to be doing. I am going to play around with some new goodies that I received from Huda Beauty. And yes, we did it, you guys. We made it to another PR. I'm just so thankful, you guys. Like, I was so shocked when I got that email. I was like, me? Little old me? Like, what? I just want to say thank you so much, Huda Beauty. Thank you for believing in me and giving me a chance. I'm speechless. I am just like in awe. Like, you guys, I can't even talk. Like, I can't even talk. I am just so happy and I love Huda Beauty. You guys already know that I use a bunch of her stuff already. So for her to send out a package is just like everything, you know. So I got this gorgeous, beautiful palette. She also sent over her mascara. She also sent over, this is like a hair mist, a hair perfume kind of, and it is really strong. You shake it up and it's a strong scent, but it's not a bad scent. It has gardenia, jasmine, absolute orange flower, turbo rose infusion, and Tahitian vanilla. And it smells good. It's just probably I like more fruity. I do like musky stuff, so this is kind of like a little musky, but I like more like fruity stuff, so I'm so excited to try more of these. Package was this flyer. Look how gorgeous she looks. So pretty, so pretty. The thing that I'm excited to try is her Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. So I am so excited to try this tonight. It looks like this. Such pretty packaging. I'll open it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. I'm sure you guys seen it, but I want to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It's in a squeezy tube. So another thing that she sent over in the box is their Pastels Rose palette, and she's a beauty, okay? She is so pretty. I've been wanting to try these out. I have a lot of the other one, the neon ones, but this one's so cute. These are the Power Bullet matte lipsticks. She sent over 3 of them. Spring Break, el 5 de Mayo, Bachelorette. Okay, so they look like this. Very pretty. They're all reds and like magentas. Very pretty. But yeah, that was it. I'm just so in love with everything. I can't wait to play with more of the stuff that I received and create more looks using the Mercury Retrograde palette. So this look is completely inspired by Kylie Jenner's makeup artist, Makeup by Ariel. So I am just so obsessed of how it came out. I'll insert like a picture of her right here. Stunning. I did do it different. I just wanted to play around with the palette, and I did like my own little twist, but I did add the rhinestones and they just look so pretty. I am in love. Like, I'm in love. The rhinestones did it for me, like, period. So before you guys head into the tutorial, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. It is free. Help your girl out. Be a part of this family, and then hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post if you guys want to, and give me a like. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then let's just keep on watching. So just starting off with priming my eyes, I'm going to take my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm just going to put it all like on my lid, like just brush it on. And the brush that I'm using is from Anastasia. I have it written down right here. Basically, I'm just going to use one brush or like 2 brushes or something, because this was supposed to be like a soft look, but then I was looking at Instagram, you know, to get like inspo, and then I was like, ooh, I could do this. Yes. So I started doing that. So I'm taking Hot Mess from the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda, and this color is so pretty. Like, I could have left it like that, but I was like, let me add more colors. I did put in Karma and a little bit of Utopia, just a little bit, and then now I'm taking Vertex, and that's just to deepen up the outer crease, you know, and I'm just winging that out too close to my inner corner, and I'm just cutting the crease right here with my cut crease brush that I love. It's from Glam, and then just gonna take what is this, Momentum,
And then taking this beautiful, this shade is so gorgeous, like, oh my god. This is Gold Glitch, and it is to die for. Like, it is so pretty. I'm in love with this color. So going back in with Vertex, and then going to align my eyes. I'm doing a little wing, and taking these rhinestones from Amazon and just applying them anywhere, kind of. Like, not in a particular place, because they didn't come out the same, but they came out close. So yeah, I'm like in love.
So I did add the rhinestones off camera and my lashes, but the lashes that I'm wearing are the same ones from the last video. It's from Lava Lashes in Heartbreaker. I just can't get enough. They're so bomb. So I was going to do a full face of Huda Beauty, but the foundations that I have are not my color. As you guys saw in my other review, it's just too light, and I'm just going to do my OG Frankie Rose foundation. So I'm using her concealer. It's the Overachiever concealer, and you guys, I love this stuff. I love the applicator. It just feels really, really nice and cold, like, so I like that. I like how much coverage it gives. Okay, so for cream contour, you guys already know I love to cream contour, and I'm just gonna take medium. It looks like this. So I'm taking Tantour in medium, and just a little though, because girl, this is very pigmented. I'm going to take a little bit of light. It's just a lighter. It's really nice. I'm doing like my nose contouring. And look how easily it blends out. It's so good. I'm going to be taking Easy Bake Pound Cake, and I love this stuff. It's super good. I'm also using like some new stuff, you know. I'm going to be taking Jaclyn Hill's blush. What is this? Blushing? No, bronzer and blushing duo. Girl, this shit's bomb. So yeah, I'm going to be taking Yummy Toffee for bronzer, just to bronze up my face. I'm just going to take that up top. I'm not going to drag it down at all. We just want to look snatched. So I'm going to be using Galactic's blush. This is a Star Blush in Fluorescent. Just this tiny little baby. She's so pretty. This blush is like pink. It's just pink. Like baby doll pink. But she's very pigmented. I'm so excited for this because I tried it already a couple times and I had a sample of it, so this is pretty good. So it does have two sides. It has a volume and then the curl and length. I'm going to do the curl and length for the bottom of my lashes. This is what the brush looks like. Look how long my lashes look. They're such baby lashes, and this did the job. Look how long they look. I love it. Alright, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I had no trouble with this palette. Everything was really nice. It blended out nicely. Again, I just used like 2 brushes to create this look, which, girl, I'm just so shook. You know, now I hit another milestone. That was one of my goals this year, is to be part of Huda Beauty's team, and it's barely March and we did it. So I am so freaking excited for what's to come. I hope you guys like this look. Again, I did get inspired by Kylie Jenner's makeup artist, makeup by Ariel. Honestly, her makeup came out nice, but I did do like a little twist and I did my own stuff. I did add the rhinestones right there. It's not exactly the same, but that's why it's called inspiration. But yeah, you guys, before you guys head out on my tutorial, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. That just helps your girl out. You already know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.